Good morning, children. Once again, we are here with a new assignment key that is dated 25th, class 6th. Class 6th. 6th class Narayana live classes key dated 25. What is the topic? Social from gathering food to growing food. From gathering food to growing food. We have learned about the early man, how he has used the stone tools, and from then onwards he was wandering. Later he slowly has developed agriculture. Yesterday we have completed that, no? So today we have the assignment on how or where we have find the evidences of doing this agriculture. From which regions we have find the evidences for doing agriculture by these early men. These are the different topics that we are having the assignment today. So children, as a part of their life, the hunter-gatherers, they were moving and moving and moving, but after some time they have settled down in a particular place. Why they have settled down? Because they have observed that the crops are growing there and they can eat that crops. So instead of moving out, if they grow the crops, they can stay there and they can live there comfortably. But they have to throw away the birds. They have to keep that plants very safely. They have to add the manure, add the water, like this. So several things are there, no? So he started living in a particular place. When he started living in a particular place, automatically he will leave some evidences there, like bones or like the vessels what he have used. All these things are fine now. So the archaeologists, those who are digging out or excavating these things, they find certain facts about this. Based upon the facts, now today we have the assignment. Okay, now children. So what are the facts? What are the facts? So first of all, I told you that agriculture was fine. So where did we find the first evidences of the agriculture? That is the question. So answer is Baluchistan. So Baluchistan is the region where the agriculture, the first evidences for agriculture was found. First evidences for agriculture was found. Okay, children, and along with that, that is agriculture was found in Baluchistan. Very good. Then where did we find the domestication of the animals? That means Afghanistan or Balochistan or India or the China. Where did we find the first option for the grazing of the animals or domestication of the animals? We find that in India. We find that in India. That is the option. In India we find this. That is option D. Option D, India is the right answer. And the next one is, see, in which of the areas we know that there are several evidences regarding the animal mounds. Animal mounds. They have ash mounds. Ash mounds. And we have find these ash mound evidences in some of the districts like Kurnool, Mahbub Nagar or Anantapuram, like this we have find. So, in which district we did not find the mound? In which district we did not find the evidences of the ash mounds? That is Medak. That is Medak. Medak is the area where we did not find the ash mounds. Option C. Option C. And 5,000 years ago, we find cultivation of the crops in Kashmir. Then 5 to 4,000 years, in between 5 to 4,000 years back, we have find the cultivation of the crops in which state of India? In which state of India? We have find in the state of Bihar. In the state of the Bihar. That is option B. Option B, Bihar is the right answer. Right answer. And the next one is, see, you know very well that almost all the people, they have settled down in a particular area and they have practiced cultivation. And Kashmir also. What is the evidence that we find in Kashmir about? About which we have find the evidence in Kashmir? That is about the cultivation. About the cultivation or the crops. So cultivation of the crops we have find in the areas of the Bihar, that is in India, that is option B. Option B, that is cultivation of the crops. This is what we have find in Kashmir. And see, I am telling you that we find evidences, we have found that one, we have found this one, like this we are saying. Very good. Now my question is, who are these people, those who are excavating all these evidences called as? Or what do we call these people as? You tell me, what do we call all these people as? We call all these people as archaeologists. What do we call them as? Archaeologists. So archaeologists are the people, those who excavate the earth and find out the evidences that are necessary to prove that there are some important aspects, or there are some important features, right? So archaeologists were the answer. That is option B. Option B, archaeologists. Now the next question that may enter into your mind was what or how did we know? How did we know that the cultivation of crops and the domestication of animals was there? And these write about the cattle grazing. How did they graze the cattle? See, very important thing is about this particular question is they have pegged the animals to a stone or to a wooden pole. Pegged the animals to a wooden pole, and hence that is the reason we have find lots of cow dung there, and these cow dung they were burnt on festival days. They were burnt on the festival days, and due to that, what happens? The ash mounds are formed. Ash mounds are formed, and from these ash mounds we can find that there are lots of cattle or there are lots of animals during that particular period. So you can see very clearly that the animals are pegged in a particular area. Almost all the all animals are pegged in a particular area. Hence, that is the reason a huge amount of the cow dung was found there, and these cow dung they have made into the cow dung cakes. Cow dung cakes, and they have burned them on festival days, and finally the ash mounds are found. From all these evidences, we can say that the cattle grazing was practiced by the people during that particular period. Okay, and now comes the next question: how this agriculture has come into existence? How these early man they started this agriculture? Because now we know we have TVs, we have these that is the internet. With the help of that, we know everything. But at those people, because they don't know, just hunting and moving, how did they come to know about the agriculture? Very simple, children. The climate change was there. The climate has changed. When the climate has changed into warm, not cool, but it has changed into warm. Due to that, some edible grains, they started sprouting up. They started sprouting up, means started coming into a plants. So when they observed that, when these people observed that, they have plucked them and started collecting those seeds once again, planting once again and growing them. That's it. That means as the climate change has occurred, the early man, he started observing that how these edible grains are sprouting up. When it rained, how these, that means he understood, okay, water is necessary for the plants and already the soil is there. But these seeds we can eat, we cannot eat them. Like that, he started on a, that is trial and error basis. He understood everything, collected those seeds once again and started growing the crops. In this manner, the domestication of the animals, domestication of the cattle and agriculture side by side developed in that particular period. We call this period as the Neolithic age. What do we call that as? Neolithic age, because he has used new tools that are made up of the stones. Right, children? Tomorrow we'll meet with one more assignment. Until then, good day. Thank you.